I can't believe you still throw away pineapple peels. Try this and be amazed. Here, I'll use a pineapple and start peeling it. Remember folks, this pineapple must be very clean and well sanitized. Once done, set the pineapple aside. We'll only use the peel. Just take it and put it in a bowl or container of your choice. Here I'm using a jar. After adding all the peels, now add 100 grams of sugar. Then fill it up with water. I used a total of 1.5 liters here. Now just cover it. I covered it with a cloth to keep bugs out. Just tie it or use an elastic band. Let's cover it with a kitchen towel. I'm using the poor man's kitchen one here. Let it sit in a dark place for 24 hours. After that time, just uncover it. Now strain all the residue well into a 1 liter container. I'm using the same 1.5 liter bottle here. Now let's remove some air from the bottle. Like this. Then we just screw the cap on. Next, we'll wrap the bottle in a tea towel again. Now folks, let's let it rest for at least 3 days. Now just remove the cloth. Check out our pineapple soda, everyone. It's already quite carbonated. Just uncap it. Look at that, it's incredible. Try it at home. I'm sure you'll love it. A super easy, simple and tasty recipe. See how fizzy it is, folks. Note, if left too long, it may become slightly alcoholic. So if you like that, it's ideal too. Now just pour it in a glass and enjoy. Take care everyone. Until next time. Thanks.